Particle size significantly affects magnetic separation efficiency. Generally, particles that are too large or too small can reduce separation effectiveness, so there's usually an optimal size range for each specific application. Let me put it this way, imagine you're trying to sort M&Ms by color, but some are regular-sized, others are mini, and some are giant party-sized ones. It would be pretty tricky, right? That's exactly what we're dealing with in magnetic separation. If particles are too big, they might be too heavy for the magnetic force to lift them effectively, like trying to pick up a bowling ball with a refrigerator magnet. Too small, and they might clump together like teenagers at a school dance, making it hard to separate them properly. The sweet spot is like Goldilocks porridge, not too big, not too small, but just right. If you're looking for exercises to test your knowledge, there is a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video so far and want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.